Replacing oil furnaces with heat pumps. The EPA has awarded large grants to help people do that. In both Alaska, where it's really cold, and Maine, where it's really cold, low-income people have base oil-fired furnaces, which is polluting the atmosphere. EPA will give them a grant toward putting in a heat pump, which is very beneficial to everybody. Well, you got a heat pump in the wintertime, you got air conditioning in the summertime. And as someone says, why do we have to wait for things to get done? It's part of a $4.3 billion fund to the EPA so they can get things done instead of talking about it or let other people talk about it.